Hey everyone, today we are headed into Nassau in the Bahamas. We're going to go out for a day in Nassau and tour around, and we hope you'll join us. Stay tuned.
He's scootering across the USA from near and far and day to day. He's scootering across the USA. He shows you the accessible way. He's the accessible traveler. The accessible traveler. He's the accessible traveler. He travels the accessible way. He's the accessible traveler.
Don't forget to subscribe. My gosh, what a beautiful morning as we sail into Nassau. This is our first time seeing Royal Caribbean's new Royal Beach Club. Isn't it beautiful? I know it just opened recently. I believe they spent probably close to $200 million to build it. And I heard that it's pretty similar to Perfect Day at Coco Cay, which is actually free if you get to go to the island on one of your cruises. There's going to be 5 ships in port today. 3 Royal Caribbean, 1 MSC, and the Disney Wish. It's going to be kind of crowded in downtown Nassau, so I think we're just going to stick around in the port. We've been here a couple times before, so we've been down to the straw market and everything else. But let me show you around the port, Nassau. Welcome to paradise. Well, we made it to Nassau, Bahamas. It's a beautiful day here. It's about 75 degrees and sunny, so we're going to show you around and see what all is here in Nassau. First of all, I wanted to show you our ship, the Utopia of the Seas. So here we go. We've got Utopia over here, and we've got Liberty of the Seas over here. Both beautiful ships, as you can see. I'm dwarfed by both of them, but here's Utopia. You go down through here. I'm looking for the family, waiting for them to show up. Everybody's getting off the ship now. And couldn't ask for a more beautiful day. Beautiful day to walk. It's not too hot, not too cold. I know our hometown in Pennsylvania right now, they said there's a minus 11 wind chill. So it's so nice to be down here in the Bahamas. Lots of people though. Lots of people. Well, rounded up the rest of the crew.
Welcome to the island. Nassau Colinioneo. Phyllis, let's go. Touchdown on the tarmac, salty air racing the breeze. Leave your worries far behind, sway meet the palm trees. Got my sandals, got my shakes, got no place I'd rather be. From the Queen staircase to the clear blue sea. Oh, Jack, got no time, shake it down a line. Pastry, champagne, feed them so fine. Let the cameras ring, hear them people sing. Nassau party, you welcome when you ring. Grabbing conch salad from my little seaside shack. Sun is kissing my skin, ain't no turning back. Colors bursting everywhere, a festival for the eyes. Living life under these Bahamas skies. Jump canoe, hey, keep on dancing. Nassau, long stop, build that spirit. Whoa.
Like her? I think I go back to work.
Oh, really?
My hair, like the little 90s hair wrap. Remember, like,
Yeah.
looking for gum. Let's see. I know. Oh, they do have another there. I have to remember that. I have to remember that this
We're going to the entrance
Phyllis,
to Nassau.
let's go. Touchdown on the tarmac, salty air racing the breeze. Leave your worries far behind, sway meet the palm trees. Got my sandals, got my shakes, got no place I'd rather be. From the Queen's staircase to the clear blue sea. Oh, Jack, got no time, shake it down a line. H3 campaign, feed up so fine.
Don't you
Let
think
the
they take
campus
you
ring,
through all the stores
yeah,
to get
the
you
people
out?
sing.
Like they do in
That's so
Disney?
body. You wake up with you ring.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.